God richly bless you. My dear contestants, I am so proud of you for how far you have come. So whatever happens or doesn't happen, what we know is that you are going to give off your best, isn't it? Yes. And because of that, we do appreciate you. My supporters, can I hear you? Can I hear you? Can I feel your presence? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So that was for you, the audience. Can we also clap for everyone who has made JSMQ successful? Excellent. Good. Okay. My name is Dr. Mrs. Sandra Bankokwati of the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology, KNUST, of course. And you know, KNUST is the best school, the best university. Yes. Wherever you put us, we are the best. Our competing schools in this contest, we have Galaxy Starling Community School. We have Glorious Child School Limited. Ahenemba International School. So by way of telling us your names and then your forms or your classes, can we start with Starling? Galaxy Starling.
My name is Jedidia Kwanedu Tex Nabwaji, Basic 7.
Thank you.
I'm Lodina Efriye Insia, Grade 8.
Thank you. Glorious Child School Limited, represented by
Ivana Mentabwaji, Basic 9.
Samuel Udai, Basic 9.
Good. Ahenemba International.
Mami Esia also dance.
Thank you.
Basic 9.
Thank you.
Ajwa Nochwa Aquam, Basic 9.
Thank you. Please, my dear contestants, again, you are welcome. I need you to do these things for me. Your microphones should be on, and it should remain on till the end of the contest. Please don't put it off. I would want to hear your buzzers. So let's start from Ahenemba. Can we hear your buzzer? Good. Glorious Child. Excellent. And then Galaxy. Good. So for this national contest, we have 5 rounds. 5. Round 1 is fundamentals. Round 2 is fastest brain, fastest finger. Round 3 is the science technology challenge. Round 4 is the decoding the clues round or the riddles round. Round 5 is global Nobel Prize awards. My dear contestants, before I start any round, I would, with all pleasure, read the instructions. We want to start round 1. But as I would always like to do, I want to make sure the heat is not heating us too much. Okay, so can we do the breathing exercise? Breathe in. Good. And out. Excellent. Breathe in. Good. Out. Can we do it for the last time? In. Out. You will do excellent. So round 1, fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, mathematics, ICT, and physics. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points. are awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as bonus to the other 2 schools to compete for. The score for a bonus is 1 point. Schools would have 15 seconds if the question do not require calculation. But if it does, you have 50 seconds, 50, to answer the questions that do require calculations. Each school will have a maximum of 2 attempts, for their main question and 1 attempt for a bonus question. So for a bonus question, if I ask you, can you repeat? Don't change and say something else. You just repeat what you said, because it is just 1 attempt. Good. Bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for by pressing their buzzer. Failure to press the buzzer before answering the bonus question will nullify your answer. Thus, no point is scored, even if you are right. I do really wish you all the best. Question 1. Yes, please. Yes, please. I want to start reading the question. Can I? Okay, but before then, please, there's a complaint desk at the back. If you want to lodge any complaints or you have any comment suggestions, please send them to the back. Thank you. Question 1. Which bar in a Word document will you find these icons? Galaxy Starling Community School. The icon should be in front of you. Yes, Jedediah.
The home tab.
No, last chance. Bonus. Ahenemba.
The design bar.
No, that's wrong. Time up. That is the ribbon. Glorious Child International. You have one in front of you.
The ribbon.
That is right. Ahenemba.
The ribbon.
That is correct. Yes, the ribbon. Question 2. Please, there's a preamble to all of you. Identify the following planets and state 2 characteristics of the planets named. Glorious Child School.
The planet is Saturn. It has 7 rings and it is part of the outer planets. It's a gas giant.
That is wrong. Please, can you stop whispering? Yes, bonus to... Ahenemba.
The planet is Saturn, and its 8 rings are made up of ice. and its composition is mainly made up of helium and ammonia ice.
I'm sorry, that is wrong. Time up. Because you had the planets wrong, whatever follows is wrong. The planet is not Saturn. I'll give the answer at the end. Ahenemba.
The planet is Venus, and it has a retrograde rotation, and it is the brightest planet in the solar system.
It is correct. It is correct. Galaxy Starling.
The planet here is Uranus. It is part of the outermost planet, and it rotates clockwise. It rotates anti-clockwise in direction.
Sorry, that is wrong. Bonus. Ahenemba.
The planet is Jupiter, and it has a big red spot known as the Great Red Spot.
Can
It
you
is
repeat
also
what you just said?
the planet is Jupiter. It has a red spot known as the Great Red Spot, and it is also a gas giant.
That is right. That is correct. Question 3. And this is yours. Ahenemba. What is the difference between a chronic disease and an acute disease?
Okay, a chronic disease is a disease that affects the body for a prolonged period of time, whilst an acute disease is a disease that affects the body within a short period of time or a minute period of time.
Okay, I'll give that to you. It's correct. Yes, I just remembered I promised to tell you the answer for the first one. It was Uranus. Yeah. So back to my questioning. The next question goes to Galaxy Starling Community School. How can the spread of vector-borne diseases be controlled or prevented?
First of all, vector-borne diseases are diseases that are acquired through a vector or an organism, and then it can be controlled by by using insecticides and then pesticides.
That is right. I give it to you. Glorious child, I need you to look at me, please. And I need the audience to stop whispering. Glorious child. Press it. It's not fault. It only doesn't come when another school has pressed yes. So it disengages yours. It's not fault. Can I go on? Good. How do viruses differ from bacteria in terms of replication in the human body? Yes, Ivan?
A virus is an infectious particle that takes over the host machinery cell and duplicates itself without control, while bacteria microorganisms that are on the surface of regular objects. And how do they do it? And then they duplicate themselves slower than viruses.
They themselves, they do what?
And bacteria doesn't duplicate itself faster than viruses.
I will give you 2. And I won't pass it on. So a bit about the bacteria, you got it right, but I was looking for binary fission. Okay, question 4. Galaxy Starling Community School. If you are given an unknown element in group 2 of the periodic table, what properties would you expect it to have? Explain your reasoning using trends in the periodic table.
Using trends. Okay, so it can be found in group.
Yes, you did, yeah.
I will explain that the element at group 2 has a valency or has a charge of 2 plus. This is because looking at the periodic table, they are all found at group 2, and this substance that they all have 2 electrons in their outermost shell, so they'll lose it, making them have a common property, which is they have a valency of 2 plus 2.
You answered the first part. You didn't answer the second part. So I'll give you 1 out of 3. I'm giving 1 because with the first part, there were some other things you left out. I won't pass it. Glorious Child School. Why are Nobel gases, group 18, generally unreactive? Use their electron configuration and periodic positioning to explain this lack of reactivity.
Okay. This is because noble gases are they are stable. This is, they have their outermost shell full with electrons, so they wouldn't be keen on giving away electrons or gaining electrons to become stable. And also they are the last group on the periodic table.
Again, for you, I'll give 2 out of 3. You answered fully the first part. You didn't answer the second part. Ahenemba International School. Why are alkaline or alkali metals, group 1, highly reactive? And how does their reactivity change down the group? Use specific examples to illustrate these trends.
Okay, so taking hydrogen. Hydrogen does not fill all its valence shells completely. Therefore, it will lose 1 electron, making it an anion. Therefore, it's highly reactive. And
I will pass this one. Galaxy. Bonus.
This is because looking at the elements at group 1, they all have a valence electron of 1. So this enables or makes them easier to react with other elements. And across the group, reactivity increases. As you see, helium is less reactive than lithium, and lithium is less reactive than sodium.
So I'll give you that point. Question 5. There's a preamble to you all. In a survey of 300 people, 70% enjoy hiking, 60% enjoy swimming, and 50% enjoy camping. Additionally, 40% enjoy both hiking and swimming. 30% enjoy both hiking and camping. And 25% enjoy both swimming and camping. If 10% of the people do not enjoy any of these activities, now I come to my schools. Glorious Child School Limited. How many people enjoy all 3 activities?
210 people.
Wrong.
These are the parameters. 40, 30. No, this one too soon.
90 people.
Bonus, Galaxy.
120 people.
That's wrong. All right. The answer is 15. How many people enjoy only one activity? Ahenemba International School. How many people enjoy only one activity?
$295 people.
No.
Many people.
270 people.
No. Bonus. Glorious Child.
160 people.
No. 15. Galaxy Starling Community School. How many people enjoy exactly 2 activities? Yes.
95.
No.
How did you get? Say everything. 200 people.
No. Bonus. Glorious Child.
285 people.
No. 240 people. This is a preamble to you all. And you are to note that the following questions are statements. You are to answer true or false. These questions will not be passed on as bonus unless a school refuses to answer. Ahenemba. The more cores a CPU has, the faster the computer will be at executing all types of tasks.
True.
I'm sorry, it's false. Galaxy Starlink, a solid state drive, SSD, is always better than a hard disk drive, HDD, because it has a longer lifespan. True or false?
False.
That is correct. Glorious child. The BIOS is responsible for loading the operating system into memory, but it disappears from the computer's memory once the OS is loaded. True or false?
False.
I'm sorry, it is true. Galaxy Starlink. Friction is a force that acts between two surfaces in contact.
True.
That is correct. Jedediah didn't let me finish, but he is correct. Glorious child. Static friction is the frictional force that opposes the initiation of motion. True or false?
False.
I'm sorry. It is definitely true. Ahenemba, kinetic friction is usually less than static friction for most materials. True or false?
False.
Mami Esisi, it is true. So, on that true-false note, we've come to the end of round 1. we give them a round of applause? Good. Excellent. So there's a slight change. When we were projecting the planets, apparently what the quiz mistress had for Glorious Child School was different from what was projected. So the quiz mistress had the Uranus, but what was projected was not that. And Glorious Child had the answer correctly for what the planet was. And with regards to their characteristics, Glorious Child also had it right. Ahenemba are a bit concerned that their question was skipped. But do you remember you were asked about something on CPU? And do you remember you were asked something about kinetic friction? Good. So can we go on? So at the end of the first round, the score line is Galaxy Starling Community School. 11 points. Glorious Child School Limited, 10 points. Ahenemba International School, 10 points. So we can believe that this is keenly contested. I need my contestants to focus. My contestants, focus. I need you to focus. You are getting distracted. Focus. And listen to me. I am the quiz moderator. So listen. Are you with me? Focus. Focus on me. Good. Before I start my next round, I want to acknowledge my sponsors. KNUST e-Learning, KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, DEX Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loan, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Fonjo Images, Nestle Ghana, Ghana Standard Authority, and of course, our wonderful media partners, Kesben TV, round 2. Before I even start the fundamentals, or I start the preamble, sorry, I need us to test our buzzers. Please, can Galaxy Starling, you are on fire. Cool down, cool down, cool down. Okay, I wanted to start from Ahenemba, but they say they are Galaxy, they are Starling. Ready for Starling performance, so they've started. Okay, so Glorious Child. It's okay. Glorious Child. Wait, you are getting impatient. Relax. Glorious Child. Good. Then Ahenemba. Excellent. So relax. My people, the tension is mounting, eh? Okay, I need you to do this. Rub your hands. Rub your hands. Rub it. Let some of the heat dissipate from your body. Aha. Thank you. Thank you. All will be well. So with the preamble or the instructions, this is the fastest brain, fastest finger round. One question will be read out and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Each question carries a score of 4 points. So you can do magic here. When a contestant is ready to respond, they should press their buzzer before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify you from that particular question. Please, after the buzzer is pressed, you have to immediately answer. You press the buzzer, you are called immediately. You answer. If a school gets the question wrong, the remaining 2 schools, you have the opportunity to quickly press your buzzer, and then you are called, and then you answer before the time is out or before the particular question is spelled out. Each school, you have a maximum of 1 attempt to each question. I am so sorry to tell you. Sincere apologies. But when you get it wrong, it's -1. Yes. Okay, I wish you all the best. I start round 2, question 1. And your answers should be succinct, straight to the point. I won't give you. Fastest brain, fastest finger. The process by which swallowed food. Galaxy. That is right. That is correct. It is peristalsis. I told you. Okay, what function joins several texts? Glorious child. Glorious.
Text wrap.
You are wrong. What function joins several text items into one text item in Ahenemba? Ahenemba.
Merge.
You are wrong. The question is spelled out. So I read out the question again after I heard the bell because I hadn't completed it. And then they answered. That's why I read it out again. But this one is spelled out. Please, it's concatenate. What does the acronym IUPAC, Glorious Child?
International Union of Pure and Applied Chemists.
Thank you. That is correct. Wonderful. Excellent. You feel the heat? You do? Okay. What is the angle between the velocity of a charged particle and its magnetic field when the force acting on the moving particle is maximum? Please stop whispering from the audience. Degrees. Cement and sand were mixed in a ratio of 2:5. How many kilograms of cement was contained in the 35-kilogram galaxy? Galaxy.
There are
Spelled out next person, glorious child.
14 kilograms.
That is wrong. Ahenemba.
10 kilograms.
That is correct. Next question. The coil tube which links the semi-nephros tubules to the vas deferens galaxy.
A ureter.
Wrong. Who is coming? Who is coming? Gone. It is the epididymis. A truck of mass 1,200 kg is moving at a speed of 25. Glorious child.
So we have our answer to be 30,000 kilogram meter per second.
Wrong. It's Ahenemba.
31,000 meters per second.
Wrong. 25 meters over. 25 m on S. The driver, or 25 meters per second. The driver applies the brakes to bring the truck to a stop in 15 seconds. Calculate the force applied by the brakes. Galaxy. Yeah.
2,000 newtons.
That is right. Excellent. My dear contestants, glorious child, Ahenemba Galaxy, excellent, excellent. The full meaning of the acronym IDS. Glorious child.
Integrated Development Service.
Wrong. Timer.
Institute of Distance Learning.
Is wrong. Is wrong. IDS Network Security. Okay, I believe time is up. The answer is intrusion detection system. Okay, we have come to the end of round 2. Thank you. Good. At the end of round 2, yes, the scoreline is already in. Action. Yes. Glorious Child School, my gallant soldiers, you had no points. Ahenemba, the children of royals, you had 1 point. Galaxy Starling, community school, 6 points. So at the end of the total for the round, after this round, we had Glorious Child 10 points, Ahenemba International 11 points, Galaxy Starling 17 points. We do acknowledge and sincerely appreciate our sponsors, KNUST e-Learning, KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, DEX Technologies, Nestle Ghana, Ghana Standard Authority, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, and of course, our wonderful media partners, Kesben TV, and our collaborators, DEX Technologies, of course, and Ghana Education Service. Round 3. This is the Science and Technology Challenge round. We have to breathe a bit, isn't it? You have to breathe a bit. Good. And in breathing, there is to be a substitution for Ahenemba International. Mami Esi, you did well. In fact, you did very well. At this point, with a resounding round of applause, Mamiesi leaves the seat as Kevin Eshan replaces her. Oh, please clap for her. Thank you, Mamiesi. Oh, Sudan, so thank you. Kevin, you are warmly welcome. The seat is indeed hot, but I know you are poised for action, aren't you? I know, yes, I can see. Good, so we go on to round 3. And that's the preamble to you all. One question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require students to perform a task that will be assessed. The score for this round is 15 points. 15! 1-5. Contestants will be given up to 15 minutes to complete the task. Round 3, of course, is powered by our wonderful DEX Technologies, that's the DEX Science set. You are being provided with a laptop, and I believe that, yes, you are having it. A laptop computer with a number of mathematical tools installed on it. Use any of these tools to complete the task below. 1, 6 people were to share some money among themselves in the ratio 2:3:5:3:1:4. If the total amount is 18,000 Ghana cedis, how much did each person gets at the end of the day? After that, you are to plot a pie chart to represent the data above. If we are all okay, our laptops are okay, please start work. Please, you have 2 minutes more. 2 minutes more, please. With me, please. Now, your time is up. Glorious child. Ivan, bring it. Come, bring it. Bring the machine. Don't close it, please. Bring it like that. Bring it. Yeah.
What are the best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact Dex Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dex Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical.
The Institute of Distance Learning IDL KNUST Kumasi informs the general public that application e-vouchers for admission into the following postgraduate, undergraduate, top-up and diploma programs of the university through the distance learning mode for the 2024-2025 academic year are now on sale. Applicants are to carefully read the entry requirements before selecting the program of choice. We have programs under sciences, agriculture, education, business, built environment, humanities, and engineering. Applicants for all programs must hold either a diploma, a higher national diploma, or a good bachelor's degree from a recognized university. you can visit any of the IDL offices across Ghana. In Kumasi, they are located at the Casley Hayford Building, KNUST campus. In Accra, they are located at the old KNUST guest house near EcoBank headquarters at Abraka, or the KNUST Accra City Center, Kwabenya, or McCarthy and Adenta office. In Takrade, you can find them at 2nd D Takrade, Cancer Road. And in Tamale, they are at Kapohini near the SNIT regional headquarters. Kindly note that programs would only be mounted at centers with the requisite minimum number of qualified applicants. Facilitation is a blend of online and face-to-face sessions on weekends. For more information and in-depth knowledge about the programs, you can visit the KNUST IDL website at idl.knust.edu.gh or call them on 0247 274 661 or 0507 110 005.
Hello, my lovely people. Can we give ourselves a resounding round of applause? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So you can perceive what is happening. At the end of the third round, Galaxy Starling Community School, 15 out of 15. Glorious child. Glorious child. 15 out of 15. Ahenemba. 15 out of 15. So, putting everything together, Glorious Child 25 points, Ahenemba 26 points, Galaxy Starling Community School 32 points. Our proud sponsors, we acknowledge your assistance, your contribution, KNUST e-learning, IDL, KNUST, DEX Technologies, Multi-Credit, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, our media partner, Kesben TV. Round 4. Round 4, but before round 4, we have for Galaxy Starling Community School, my dear Lodina is leaving the hot seat and Cecilia is replacing her. Oh, do it better for them. Good. Thank you, Lodina. A free Asia. That was excellent. My dear Cecilia Akandi, you are warmly welcome. This is a happy place. Do you believe that?
Yeah.
Yes. For Glorious Child School Limited, Samuel is being replaced by Princess. Please, can we give it up? Oh, I want to hear the clap. Thank you, Samuel. That was an awesome performance. Round 4. But before we move on to round 4, before I start reading the preamble, I need us to test our buzzers again. Ahenemba, can I hear it? Ahenemba, buzzer. Ahenemba, buzzer. Please, Ahenemba buzzer needs assistance. Glorious child. Hey, Galaxy. Galaxy, I have told you to be patient. Ahenemba, okay, again. Excellent, we are safe. Glorious child. Wonderful. Now, Galaxy, it's your turn. Okay. Galaxy. Round 4, preamble. This round is called the decoding the clues round or the riddles round. The question will be read out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue is 6 points, on the second clue is 5 points, on the third is 4, on the fourth and any other indication we have 3 points. Contestants, you are to press your buzzer before attempting to answer the question. Failure to press your buzzer, you will be disqualified from that particular section or round of quiz. So whether you are right or wrong, you'll be disqualified from that set. Okay. Please, are we clear? Yes. Excellent. Set 1. I'll be using my fingers to indicate on which clue we are on. Okay, I hear prayers being poured out to God. God will answer all prayers in his own way. Thank you. Set 1. I am a type of number that cannot be expressed as a fraction. Glorious child.
Irrational number.
That is right. That is correct. On the first clue, set 2. Set 2. I am a method commonly used in laboratories to purify liquid. Glorious child.
Distillation.
That is right. On the first clue again. Distillation. Set 3. Set 3. I begin in the roots and end at the leaves, where water is lost. I am the process that moves water up. Galaxy.
Osmosis.
I'm sorry, that is wrong. Ahenemba.
Transpiration.
That is correct. It is transpiration. On the second clue. Set 4. I am the process by which heat travels without any medium. Glorious child.
Radiation.
Radiation is right. Radiation. That is correct. Something glorious is happening in this room. And on that glorious note, we come to the end of round 4. Good. We are back. At the end of round 4, Galaxy Starling had no points. Glorious Child School Limited, 18 points. Ahenemba International School, 5 points. Now we move on to the last round of the competition. Round 5. But before I start, Galaxy Starling Community School, Jedidia, my gallant soldier, is being replaced by another princess. Today is the day for princesses, royalty. Can we give him a resounding round of applause? Jedidia, thank you. Thank you for that exciting time. My dear princess, you are warmly welcome. Ahenemba International, Ajua Anochua is being replaced by Thelma. Oh, do it better for Ajua. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. KNUST 2024 quiz competition is under the proud sponsorship of KNUST e-learning, KNUST IDL, Dex Technologies, Multi-Credit Savings and Loans Limited, Pizza Man, Chicken Man, Nestle Ghana Standard Authority. Our media partner, Kesben TV. Round 5. I am told there's another substitute. Glorious Child. We go on a commercial break. We will be back shortly. Okay, welcome back. Welcome. Oh, when you hear welcome back, you know what to do. Thank you. Thank you. Your contestants needs the morale, so do it better for them. Good. Excellent. Yes, yes. I can see somebody nodding. Yes, yes, yes. That guy likes fans. So. All right, so in all, at the end of round 4, we have Ahenemba International with 31 points, Galaxy Starling 32 points, Glorious Child School Limited 43 points. Okay. So princess came, princess is leaving us. And Obrimpong is taking her place for Glorious Child. Oh, do it better. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Round 5. Obrimpong is heated. He wants to take Glorious Child label to another place so that he can get the entire table for himself. It is well. Okay. Please note that round 5 is also one attempt. My contestants, I need your attention. Round 5 is also one attempt, please. There will be 3 sets of questions in this round. Each set has a main question and 2 sub-questions. Schools will compete to be the first to ring their buzzer. The first school to ring its buzzer will be allowed to answer the first question. If the school answers a question correctly, they have the right to answer the subsequent questions. The main question will be passed on for full marks if it is incorrectly answered by the school that rings the buzzer first. Sub-questions in a set will be passed on as bonus if it is incorrectly answered. Bonus questions will be competed for by pressing the buzzer. 3 points will be awarded for answering the main question correctly, and 1 point each for the sub-questions. A point will be awarded for questions answered as bonus in this round. So this is a repetition. When any of the competing school is not able to answer a question, the question ends. So when all of you are unable to answer even the first question, it ends there. We won't continue. When you get it wrong in the middle, it moves on to the other competing schools. Is it clear? Is it clear, Ahenemba? Because this round is peculiar to nationals. Is it clear?
Yes, please.
Aha, glorious.
Yes, please.
Thank you, Galaxy.
Yes.
Thank you. It's nice to always add the please when you say yes, okay? Good. So the first round of question 1. So you are to match the following Nobel Prize winners with their discovery. And you are to get all right. Even if you get one wrong, the entire set is wrong. It will be moved.
No, I'm not.
Match the following Nobel Prize winners with their discovery. So the first item. The first one is Barry, Marshall, and Robin Warren. The second is Alexander Fleming. The third is James Watson and Francis Crick. Item B. A. Structure of DNA. B. Discovery of Helicobacter pylori's role in stomach ulcer. C. Discovery of penicillin.
So, Alexander Fleming, penicillin. Francis Crick, structure of DNA. And Barry Marshall, stomach ulcer and calico.
That is correct. So you move on to the next question. This is to Galaxy. How did the Nobel-winning discovery of Helicobacter pylori's role in ulcers by Barry J. Marshall and J. Robin Warren change treatment approaches?
This had a good impact because it helped to know whether the patient was having stomach ulcer by detecting the bacteria in the stomach.
No. So it moves on to the next two schools. Gloria's Child.
It made treatment safer and more effective for patients.
I won't take that. Ahenemba.
It made it simple for us to detect stomach ulcer.
I won't take that. What I'm looking for, in as much as all that you said made it and all that improve, is shifted treatments from antacids to antibiotics. Okay. The next set on scramble the word. A, I, D, R, I, T, V, O, Y, T, C, I. Stop looking at someone else. Galaxy.
Aldovombaya.
That is wrong. To the other schools. Radioactivity. The next set, and that would be our last for this competition. Question 3. I can hear breathing. Relax and let's kill this. Albert Einstein won the Nobel Gloria's Child.
He won it in 1921, and he won it because he discovered the photoelectric effect.
That is correct. The next one. To you? No, to them.
Okay, all right.
What principle did Einstein's Nobel Prize-winning research on the photoeffective demonstrate about light?
It demonstrated that light didn't need any physical medium to travel.
No. Bonus? Galaxy?
The principle he worked on was on the theoretical principle.
No. Time is up. That light can behave as both a wave and a particle. That is the particle-wave duality. So on this exciting, wonderful, heated note, we come to the end of the competition. I need more clap. Thank you. Good. No, before I announce the points. Please, I beg you, clap for them again. Please do. It's okay. It's okay. You've done well. My contestants, I need you to clap for yourselves. Everybody clap for yourself. Oh, is that how you clap for yourself? Thank you. So at the end of the competition, Ahenemba International, the daughters and sons of royals, they are not afraid of whatever that comes. 31 points. My beautiful ladies, Galaxy Sterling Community School, 35 points. Galaxy, that was a sterling performance. You did well. The Glorious Child School Limited. All glory, all honor to the glorious child. 46 points. That is wonderful. Thank you so much for being present, for taking part. We have Glorious Child qualifying to the semi-finals. Meet you there. Somebody is signaling me. I don't understand. Whatever it is, I think you have done so well. And you all need to be proud of yourself. My name, Sandra Bankwa-Kwarteng, PhD. I was your moderator for this contest. Thank you and see you at the next competition. Ivan.
The best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience for students. How is science taught at your school? Contact Dex Technology on 0246 310 704 to find out how we can help you to provide 21st century science education. Visit www.thescienceset.com today to see our list of Ghana's best private schools. Dex Technology Limited. Practical science is now practical. What are the best? best private schools in Ghana? Well, one thing is for sure. The best schools pay attention to practical science education. Over the years, Dex Technology Limited has been the official science equipment provider for Ghana's best international and local private schools. Our award-winning science set is designed to provide every material needed for science experiments while enabling a superior, personalized learning experience.